In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox white screen error. So if you're encountering a white screen error, here's what you can do. So the first step to do is to delete the cache or temporary files that Roblox stored. So to do that, just go to your taskbar here and then right click on the Windows icon, then click Run. This will open this run command. Type in what you see right here. So %local app data %, enter, and then this folder will show up. Now scroll down until you see Roblox. So let's look for Roblox here. You can also just click R to sort it by Roblox. And then once you find it, you can now delete this whole folder, which contains temporary files, cache, logs on your Roblox app. And now just exit out of here, and then you can clean up the recycle bin just to make sure it's completely deleted. And that should be good. Refresh. And now you can test out your Roblox. If it still doesn't work, then try updating your GPU. So what you can do is type device manager, open up this window, and then under display adapters, just update each of these drivers if they have updates. And if that still didn't work, then try restarting your PC and uninstalling Roblox. Usually these fixes are the ones to get it, which is reinstalling and just starting brand new. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.